Hey friends, if you encounter Proxy Authentication Error 2606 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to remove Proxy and VPN. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the Network and Internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Proxy. Make sure that Automatically Detect Settings is switched on and there's no manual proxy setup here. And if you have any third-party VPN, then remove it. Now to reset OneDrive, the command is local app data /Microsoft /OneDrive /OneDrive /reset. Press the Windows key and the R button together, paste this command here and hit enter. It will reset OneDrive and launch it once again. And if everything else fails, then you can reset the network. But that's the last option. So right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, and then go to the Network and Internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down, select Network Reset, and then click on Reset Now, and then click on Yes, and then it will reset the network and maybe even restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.